Hey guys, it's Channel Tiara and I'm back with another video, and like promised, I'm here to show you all about this lace. So the first thing I'm going to show you all is how to remove it. All you're going to need is a spray bottle with just water in it. Make sure to keep a towel at hand because obviously it can get a little messy. So right here, all I'm doing is spraying the lace and basically rubbing the water in, and this will just loosen up the glue, the Got2b gel, or whatever it may be that you use to tighten your lace wigs down. So once you've just about got everything rubbed in, it should come off very easily. And here I'm just showing you all the Got2b glue that's gunked up on my lace. So after you removed it, all you want to do is run some warm water onto the lace, and as you're running the water on it, you want to rub the glue, and that'll just loosen it up some more to make for an easier clean. So I'm going to go in with my coconut water shampoo by Organics, and I'm grabbing my toothbrush. This is not my toothbrush that I brush my teeth with, but it's just an old toothbrush that I have. And what I'm going to do with it is basically scrub in the shampoo into the lace, and that'll remove the extra glue that I couldn't get out with just the running water. Excuse me. And here you just see me rubbing in the shampoo. I'm just trying to break down that glue so that way it comes out of the lace easy. And as you can see, all the glue is gone. So now I'm grabbing my Aussie moist conditioner, and I'm basically putting that through the entire hair, because while I wash my lace, I also like to deep condition the hair. So I'm just combing it out, and just be mindful of when you're combing out the frontal, because since you did bleach, if you have bleached your frontal, the hair is looser and it's more prone to coming out easier. So right now I'm just letting the hair deep condition. I've used my Aussie Moist, a few pumps of that, and I've also used my Downy fabric softener. Yes, I use fabric softener for deep conditioning. It works wonders. You should try it. And right now I'm just checking to make sure all the glue is gone before I let it sit. So now it's time to apply my lace frontal wig, and I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and a new toothbrush and basically brush back all my baby hairs and any stand-up hairs that I don't want any of the glue to get on. Okay, and once I've done that, I'm going to take some alcohol on some alcohol pads and basically wipe my hairline, and that'll get rid of any excess oils or makeup that may be in my hairline, so that way my wig will just lay down and not come up faster than a week basically. Like, I'm trying to get my wig to be prolonged. So I'm wiping away any excess oils or makeup that may be on my hairline or where I may be putting glue. So once that's all clean, I'm going to get my head condom or my stocking cap. Yes, I like to call it a head condom because that's what I feel like I have on. I'm going to take that and I'm going to pull it right below my ears and spray some Got2b Free spray right across my hairline. And I'm not spraying it too far ahead of my hairline, but just right in front of it. And then I'm going to spray it onto my hair. And this will just make sure that the stocking cap doesn't move back whenever I put my wig on. You may skip this step, but you know, it's up to you. So after I've sprayed the entire stocking cap, I'm going to take some Got2b Glue and again line my hairline. If you are a person that's on the move, then these steps might not be for you, but I only do this like maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. But this is not something that I do every day. If I had to do this every day, it wouldn't be done. So now I'm just getting my blow dryer. I'm using the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools blow dryer. And I'm just blow drying the glue and the spray until it's completely dry. And you'll know when it's dry because then it'll become clear upon your head. Like it'll basically melt into your skin, but not literally. And yes, y'all, this takes forever, so be patient and make sure it's completely dry before you move on to the next step. And while y'all at it, make sure y'all follow me on all social medias and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with any more tutorials I have. So once everything completely dry, I'm going to take my scissors and basically cut what I didn't glue down. And you want to make sure you get as close as possible to the parts that you did glue down, and any parts that has raveled up or that's not laying, then you want to cut that off, because if you don't cut that off, then you'll be able to see it through your lace frontal. So you just want to make sure you get rid of anything that's not glued down, anything that's rolled up or raveled up. Sharp scissors, make sure you're not cutting your skin or your ears, because it can happen, trust me. And here I'm just cutting around my hairline and behind my ear, because that's the only part that I'm going to apply glue to. So anything behind my ears, I don't really have to cut that off. And as you can see here, I'm just dusting away anything that may have been raveled up, just to get all that out the way, because like I said earlier, you will be able to see that under your lace. Alright, so once you have everything going and you look like a bald head scallywag, then you're going to grab some more Got2b glue. I like to use the black instead of the yellow one. The yellow one just makes me gag. I don't know why, but the consistency of it just makes me gag. So I'm basically applying a thin layer around my hairline. And once I've applied that thin layer, I'm going to blow dry it until it's completely dry. And as you can see, I have a metal-tailed rat tail comb. These things are so handy, but you see me pushing it down, and that's just so that when I'm blow drying it, nothing rolls up. You want to make sure everything is flat. You want a flat foundation. So here I am just pushing everything down, making sure nothing's rolling back and whatnot. So once it's completely dry, I'm going to take another thin layer of Got2b glue as well as the free spray and apply a layer around the hairline. But this time when I blow dry it, I'm not going to blow dry it until it's completely dry. I'm going to blow dry it until it is tacky. And you'll see the tackiness that I'm talking about in the next clip. Or a later clip. I don't really remember. And I like to spray the free spray in sections just to prevent my stocking cap from rolling back. because once you basically wet it up, it will roll back. So you want to be careful and take your time and try not to rush this step. Well, actually, any of these steps. Don't rush any of these steps. It's very pertinent that you take your time. So see, you can see the tackiness. The second layer dries pretty faster than the first. Well, it gets tackier pretty faster than the first, and you can see how tacky it is. And that's a great sign. That means we're almost done. Okay, so here is the new cleaned lace. It looks fabulous. And what I want to do is just apply it to my head now. And you want to make sure that you line the front of your lace frontal up right in front of where your cap starts. So that way they both melt together and it seems like one seamless scalp. And again, I'm taking that comb, and this time I'm going behind the first layer of hair and basically pushing the frontal into my scalp, into my skin, just so it blends better. But you want to be careful to make sure that none of the glue seeps through and gets on the hair, because then it'll be harder to comb out. Like the hair basically gets stuck and you'll have to just deal with it at that point. So here is basically the final product, and you can stop at this point, but I like to take it a step further. So I'm going to grab some wraps. I don't really know what they call, but I'll leave the description of them in the description box. But they're basically wraps to mold your hair, and I'm basically going to take 2 of them, and I'm going to do one from behind the neck area and then one from the forehead, and that's just gonna help secure my lace frontal down more and mold the lace into my scalp, so that way it all seems seamless. And then people be like, what frontal? What frontal? So now that everything's completely dry, I'm taking my wrap down, and as you can see, once I finish taking it down, so many layers. But once I'm done taking it down, you can see how flawless it makes it look even better. It gives you a more natural look, I guess, if you do that step, because everything is completely dry and you don't have to worry about anything coming up. So this is basically the completed look. Thank you all for watching. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and also share with your mama, your brothers, your sisters, your uncles, your aunties. Share with everybody, because I think this is a really great video for everyone to see. So yeah, until then, I'll see you all next week.